Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Confirm the laptop is plugged in or has battery above 20%, and disconnect any non-essential USB peripherals. Once done, open power and sleep settings to view current timers, then launch Device Manager to inspect devices that can wake or prevent sleep. Make sure display versus system sleep values are distinct, and note any custom power plans. This gives you immediate targets to change, so you can proceed with focused adjustments rather than guessing what blocks sleep. Next, change the settings that actually control sleep behavior. You should set system sleep to a reasonable timer, separate from display sleep, and select balanced or power saver profiles for predictable results. Then disable wake timers in advanced power options unless you need scheduled tasks. Make sure only essential network adapters can wake the PC. In Device Manager, find input devices and uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer for mice or keyboards that cause false wakes. These targeted changes resolve most middle-step conflicts. To finish, test sleep and validate results. Run PowerKG/requests to see active blockers and PowerKG/lastwake to learn what woke the system. Create a fresh power plan or reset the current one, then test sleep before reconnecting peripherals one by one to isolate culprits. If sleep still fails, inspect BIOS or UEFI for sleep state settings and update drivers, especially chipset and network drivers, because firmware and drivers often override OS settings. If nothing helps, that PowerKG output is your key troubleshooting clue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.